Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get a refund on Stack Social. So first you will go to their website stacksocial.com and log into your account. Click on your profile icon and select orders. Locate the product that you want to be refunded and check if it can be refunded. If you see a request refund button, click it and confirm. If there's no button, go to the Help Center and send an email to support@stacksocial.com with your order ID. Explain why you are requesting a refund, so keep it clear and polite. Wait for a response, and it is usually within 1 to 2 business days. Refunds are typically processed back to your original payment method. Avoid redeeming digital codes if you plan to refund. If the product is lifetime software, you may only have 15 days to refund. Always read refund policies before purchasing. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.